All right, guys, today we're going to talk about a simple oil change, how much oil for each pump, where to drain it, where to fill it. This here is the Castair C1 pump. This would be my 2-cylinder inline 5 to 7.5 horse pump, where this one is my C2 pump. This is my 4-cylinder V-style 7.5 to 10 horse pump. Both of these pumps hold 2 quarts of oil. You want to use a quality oil like the cast lube product like we provide. That's what we recommend in our pumps. The nice thing about our oil is it's good to -34 with a pour point of -34 Fahrenheit. And it's good on the semi-synthetic for a run time of 4 months or 400 hours. And on the full synthetic, 8 months or 800 hours. The nice thing about the cast lube semi-synthetic and full synthetic, if your machine's in the cold, you do not have to do a seasonal change from a 30 weight to a 10 weight. Both of them are multi-viscosity, multi-weight, and good in the cold. Again, with a pour point of -34 and good in the high temp as well. To drain the oil on these, it's very simple. You want to have something ready to catch your oil, obviously, but this is your oil drain spout or spigot. So just loosen it. I did it before the video. You just loosen it like that. Take this off and let the oil drain. Now, if you want it to drain a little quicker, obviously you can take off the fill port to create no suction and let the oil drain quicker. Now, this pump didn't have any oil in it when we started. That's just a simple explanation and demo on how to get everything going for an oil change. Once it's done dripping, you're going to want to put some pipe tape or pipe dope back on those threads, reinstall the oil drain plug, tighten it up. Once you put pipe thread or pipe dope on it, and you're good to go to put oil back into the pump. Now, when you fill it with oil, and I'll show you once we're done here, I'll fill them with oil, you want it to the top of this red circle when the machine's off. Both of them have that red circle indicator in the sight glass or the sight picture for the oil. The problem if you don't fill it to the top of that red circle is these pumps are both oil slinger type lubrication pumps. They're not a pressure lube pump. So you have to run them on a level surface and fill them on a level surface. And if you don't have it to the top of that red circle, when it starts running and slinging the oil around, it's not going to lubricate properly because it's going to drop to a level where the slingers aren't catching oil anymore.